flat sled for us in here. I don't know if we're gonna fit.
It was kind of questionable there for a minute.
880. All right, so I'm not really sure how we could have cut that any closer than we actually did getting in here.
So here we are at Denali. Guess what we're about to do?
Shopping.
We're going to the Mercantile.
Mercantile.
Maybe they got some groceries.
Yeah. Here's donations for every state. So we're gonna stick one in Georgia because that is the best and it's almost full. But we saw this on Finding Our Somedays video.
Oh yeah.
And Maine was lacking the day they were here. And
So
it looks like Maine is lacking right here.
Oh, it's lacking again today.
It's lacking again, so we're gonna put one in for Finding Our Someday. Because we love their channel.
Yep.
So we are camping here at Riley Creek Campground at Denali National Park. This is a national park campground. There are no services here as far as hookups. So we are dry camping, but that's okay. We're enjoying it. They've got bathhouses with sinks to wash your dishes and stuff like that in if you need it. Several, I think a 4 or 5 bay dump station up there at the front of the park with a nice mercantile store. Just down the street is a small town that's usually the kind of little town you find outside of a national park. So got stuff you need there if you need stuff. So we've only got a few days here, which is not enough time to see this park at all. So we're going to do a few things, try to see the sled dogs, try to take a bus to shuttle in, but we'll talk all about that here in just a minute. The mosquitoes. I love Alaska. I don't love mosquitoes. And I don't love blind spot trees. So, I did it. I finally did it. I've been waiting for it, and it finally happened. And you know what? It's okay. It's not okay. It made me really mad. Yeah. Not happy. But I'll fix that when we get home. No big deal. It's okay. All right. So, ow. God, I'm mad at these mosquitoes. There you go. Ready? Denali. Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect. White spruce. So the difference between the white and the black spruce is the white spruce grows quicker because you see how the rings are further apart.
Yeah.
And then this is
The black
spruce, which is 63 years old. Wow. See how tight those
Yeah,
are?
it's small too, as comparable.
Caribou hide.
Caribou.
Look how thick it is.
Yeah.
It's crazy. This is elk.
Keep you warm.
Or beaver.
Oh shit. Fine that, I guess. Oh boy.
Run away.
Hey Barb, come here. Look at that. So she pulled it off. That lady pulled it off. She broke it. So Denali National Park is located in the heart of Alaska, covering a massive area of 6 million acres. It's a vast wilderness home to towering mountains, glaciers, and abundant wildlife. So the park's centerpiece is Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley. It's the highest peak in North America, standing tall at a staggering 20,310 feet. The mountain is often shrouded in mist and surrounded by breathtaking beauty. But only 30% of visitors to Denali National Park get to see Denali in the open.
So welcome to Denali National Park, everybody. Again, my name is Ben. I'll be taking you out to the East Fork today. And I hope nobody asks me if that mountain on the right is Denali, because it's been asked many times.
It is open now. Denali National Park is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. It's home to the big 5 mammals: grizzly bear, moose, caribou. Doll sheep, and wolf. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of the park's most iconic resident. That's the Alaskan sled dogs. These highly trained dogs are an integral part of the park's operations, assisting with research and patrolling duties during the wintertime. We're going to go find the shuttle bus to go do the sled dog.
Yay!
So if you want to know how to get to that, come to the visitor center complex, and somewhere around here are little dog paws on the pavement, and you can just follow those, and they're right there. Oh, I don't see them anymore.
Hey, don't lose the scent so soon.
There they are. You catch the shuttle bus over here about 30 minutes before it starts. Gives you enough time to kind of look at the dogs and hopefully pet them.
Yeah. It's a short bus ride.
Yeah.
10 minutes or so.
So yeah, we're walking to the kennels, and we're gonna look at some puppy dogs and then get a seat for the show. That must be the sled racer. Man, I could drive that thing.
It's got brakes.
Got you a sled dog?
Yeah. Oh, I like his ears. Yeah.
Oh, I like that. He's like, everything likes to get scratched on his ears. Oh my goodness gracious.
So for all you in this section, we're just gonna ask you make sure you stay behind the red line on the ground when we do the dog run.
Yes, ma'am.
No leaping out in front of the cart.
No, really?
I don't want to squish anyone
dang.
today.
I'm sure there's a nurse here. Somebody can take care of somebody.
Oh, he's usually the one that gets squished.
Right. That is true.
Now, a lot of our dogs are gonna get pretty excited because they wish that they had the chance to run today. But I want to help our dogs that are gonna run get energized for their trip. So if you would all join me in a howl to help our dogs, I'd like you all to howl with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You can already see how excited our dogs are, how ready they are to go. I'm just showing you how much they love to run and how much they love to pull a sled. All right, let's give our dogs a round of applause. Now, it seems like it's time to send our dogs back home. So we're gonna do one more little demonstration for you here. Some of our dogs can actually run back to their houses by themselves. So we'll give them the opportunity to do that. Not all of them can, some of them need a little bit of help, but that's all right. So we're gonna start with Cusco back here. Cusco's gonna head back to his house. Cusco was part of the Alaska Youth Litter, so he was named by the students at the Cusco Quinn School. So now you give Cusco a round of applause. Yeah, look at that run. All right, we're gonna send Gus home next. Gus was a member of our 9/11 search and rescue litter, so to commemorate the rescue dogs.
Gus is taking somebody else.
He was named in that litter. So we're gonna give Gus a round of applause.
Go, Gus.
Yeah, look at him go. Yeah. Merlin was also part of the 9/11 SAR litter, and is said to be the sweetest of all the siblings in that litter. And last we have Summit. Summit has a great bark, and really loves food. Kind of does a Chewbacca bark at dinner time.
Lost.
Almost made it. There we go.
Oh, good girl. All right, guys, so we have finished up with, as you can tell probably, we have finished up with Denali. What I can tell you about Denali is you need more than 3 days there, because there is just so much to do in that park. You need a week at least, or a week. Could have used a week. Mel's out here checking out rocks and shells. Awesome. So what we did learn about Denali was the shuttles. Best bet is to do the transit shuttle.
Absolutely.
So if you do the transit shuttle, that's about $32. You can hop on and off the buses wherever you want to. The road is 92 miles long currently. There's a rock slide, so you can only go on the bus or the shuttle or the tour to mile 43, which is the East Fork River.
Or you can drive your own vehicle to mile
15. And what was the name of that place?
Savage River.
Savage River. And there's a big parking lot there. But past 15 miles, you have to ride the bus. Best bet for you is to go to the bus depot. They have all the tours that are available. They have all the transit bus times there. And that's where you buy your tickets, and that's where you load up.
And they have people to explain
yes,
it to you also.
the difference between the two, and just make the right choice for you. But definitely you need more time. We had such a wonderful time in Denali, and if we ever get back up that way, we will definitely go there again. Definitely, I would make reservations. If you're going to be staying in Riley Creek Campground, make reservations early, because it's going to fill up fast. You want to make sure you have a spot, and get there early, because it's first come, first serve. If they guarantee you a spot, they don't guarantee you which spot. So you have to drive around and find one. It's a lot of them are not as good as a very few of them. So right. But we are not in Denali, as you can see, but more on that later. But that's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Until next time,
take care of each other,
love each other,
and make every moment count.
We'll see you next time, guys. Make sure you subscribe.